Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to narrow down your search by applying filters on the Tezenis application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the search button down below, which is the third option. Then select a category at the top and another category from here. Then a subcategory, and if you want to apply filters to narrow down your search, click on this filter button down below. After that, you can sort by popularity, what's new. You can sort by their price or by A to Z according to their name. Then you can also apply filters in terms of size, so select your sizes, then the color that you prefer, and after that the material can be selected and the collection too. So click on the results button down below to check out the available products according to your preferences. So tap on the relevant one, check them out, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.